So, just to give you an idea of how cold it was last night, I found this in the dog's water dish. It actually froze water. Oh, you see ice. Oh, now she can drink since I took off the ice lid. It was a little chilly. Of course, I didn't notice. I was passed out in the tent.
Does it?
No.
Some Spam with some King Hawaiian rolls. What kind is it?
Black pepper?
Black pepper Spam.
So it's like infused with pepper. See if it's good. Make some mini sliders here.
I'm down.
I think that's enough. Save the piece for later.
I only wiped your stuff down, but I don't know how,
Thank you.
how clean you want it.
Thank you. I usually wash it like...
I just wiped it down with water.
Yeah. That works.
I didn't have the dishwasher. Help me. I just let her do mine. My dishwasher, huh?
Camp's starting to wake up. The bachelor party boys are getting there. Wake up on. We're getting our second breakfasties on 11's. What time is it?
I don't know, you're on the phone.
Oh, it'll be around 8, 9.
It's daytime.
Yeah. I got up at 7. I got out of the tent.
Now when we're camping, I just kind of we're here for
Get some
when we're
huevos.
hungry.
Oh. A little mini slider sounds pretty good.
I'm gonna toast these a little bit now.
Oh, hell yeah. Johnny was pretty excited yesterday. He got to fire his Kimber.
Oh yeah. Second time firing it.
Yeah?
I've had it for a little bit over a year.
Wow. So what did you think of it?
I loved it.
Yeah?
And you shot it. What did you think of it?
Oh my.
You were hitting that target on point, man.
Even with all the cowboys were all talking about, and I said, well, he's got one over there, because the pistols don't excite me too much anymore. I said, that Kimber, though, I kind of got a hard on to shoot that one. That 1911 was nice.
Yeah.
That's a handgun too.
Yeah. Small caliber is 9mm. So that thing,
But
it
doesn't.
oh no, it's so
smooth, accurate.
accurate as it can. I mean, I just put 10 rounds down range. I think I caught 8 of them.
9 in that magazine.
Oh, and there you go. Because I know I got a good chunk of them hit on target.
Yeah.
It was perfect.
2 more magazines in my bag. I forgot to bring them because I didn't. Yeah.
Gonna toast up the Hawaiian rolls. Oh man. You know who loves his spam? Joseph. All his videos are spam.
that's all you eat.
I've never ate spam till I went camping once. This guy's like, oh, you should try it, you know? I was like, oh, I don't know about that. It's pretty good.
I think it was the death of the poor Polynesians. They love it too.
Well, you know what? I got some cheese also.
Oh,
Should be eating good. Man down. Man down.
Save it, save it.
No big deal on that.
Yeah.
The other day, John dropped a piece of toast. She was on it.
I went to grab my toast and the dog ran away with it faster than I could grab it. She go, oh no, you lost it, it's mine. He's
on the ground, it's mine.
Yeah, oh yeah, she ran. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to have me one of these spam sliders.
I think I would like to try me some of that cocaine. You ever seen that movie?
Which one?
Walk Hard, Billy Cox story. It's like a parody of the Johnny Cash Walk the Line.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And he was like, get out of here, dude. You want no part of this? He's like, I don't want a hangover. It doesn't give you a hangover. It's like, well, then I guess I would like to try me some of that cocaine. Okay, but just once.
Yeah, I think it was mention of that last night, and I was like, all right, it's time to go to our own fire. They had a good party going last night. I got the bachelor boy. He was all loaded, and they were dressing him up, and he was the butt of all jokes.
Did they ever get him out of the handcuffs?
I don't know. I don't know. The best bachelor party he won't remember.
He gives us a story.
Oh, it cracks me up. You guys are so nice. How did we get you guys as good camp neighbors? That we scared the other neighbors away.
Like, wait, you guys like burning? You like guns?
Yeah, right away. There's the. Let's see if I can get the feel the burn.
You were so like, oh, I hope you don't mind. We're shooting this tree. It's dead though. So I'm like, I don't care what fucking tree you shoot, man. Shoot whatever you want.
That was funny. Oh, you're making like a McMuffin.
Yeah, man. I eat better when I'm camping.
All right, we're gonna get this put together here, and then I'll film some more.
Yeah, go for it. Spoon eggs is right there. Got cheese here.
We're trying to figure out who did the shooting this morning.
Said I'd be up early. Well, I can make noise in the morning, right? That was my promise.
Okay. John's
Here we go.
reaction to spam.
Oh man. That's fantastic.
It's fantastic. Johnny, yeah? Good? Yay.
Could use some mustard.
Mustard.
Yeah, with your mustard.